Y'all always catch me when I'm such a mess. Yeah, I'm trying to, get merch. I'm thinking about getting things like this. Like my euphoric. Well, this is the Granny limited edition sign. It's a limited edition. Yeah. But anyways, yeah. Now I got this peace sign. It's a sign. A sign. But yeah, I'm gonna have stuff like that for merch. Just like this. Stuff like sheets. Sheet sets. Like this. That's a sheet set. And we'll go with my merch. And that will be coming soon. It will be. Before Granny's got work to do. YouTube's not easy. Not gonna change the blooper. But yeah, growing on YouTube, it takes years. And I've gotten to a place now where I'm thinking about creating my merchandise. I'm gonna market for sale right now. Other companies will see what I'm about, and they might not want me. Who knows? First, I gotta become a partner. A partner, yeah. But I have a ways to go. See, because it's taken me years. Because I'm just an average, normal granny. Euphoric granny. And I like euphoria. And I like limited editions. Limited editions. Yeah. But yeah, I'm working on my merch. I'm actually resting today. I've been on the road. Seeing people, places, and things. And showing up for you every day. It's not easy. It's kind of hard. But as we go, you will know everything about YouTube. Because when I learn it, I'm going to tell you. And I didn't learn YouTube or how to do it from a guru. No, I watched a lot of channels on how to do YouTube. I watch Rob, I watch Kevin Colby, I watch all of those channels. I do. But they all have something different to say, and I listen, I try. But the person I got the most value out of is Chrome Valdez. He has his former channel was Van City Van Life. Then he changed his name to the Chrome Project. Yeah, I like it. And he's a perfect example of starting with nothing on YouTube. And then, after 8 years, go watch the Chrome Project. You will learn how to edit. I did. I was on an editing journey. And he lives close to by where I live. I'm from the Pacific Northwest myself, on the United States side. Vancouver, Washington, I'm there all the time. I could actually take a ferry across and go there, and I plan to soon. Who knows when? What's going on in the world right now makes Granny feel a little sketchy about going anywhere. Because people are going to have to settle down and learn how to respect one another. For sure. There's some shame on you stuff going on. So also, the second thing I want to tell you is be careful with your internet. Police your internet. Don't let your kids watch anything. The blue lights on the cameras are not good for you. They're not. And it's not good for any child to be on the internet and watch anything they want. So please, parents, keep your kids off the internet if you can and give them things to do like games, like playing outside. Things to do, not just stuck in a screen. They can't learn nothing stuck in a screen. They might learn how to be naughty. They'll learn a good dance. They might learn trends. But your children need you. They need you, not a screen. Face-to-face contact with the children, folks. They need their parents. Children need lots of love, lots of time. And remember, you created that child. So, do your job as a parent and police the internet. The computer's not always good. It's not. I stay off the computer. I learned from playing outside when I was a kid. The computer's been around forever. Believe me. Before they were even introduced to you. They're watching everything you do. Okay? Every movement, every show. They want to get to know you real good. Don't let it get in here, y'all. Remember, you shine and you're divine. And what sparks inside of you is your energy. And I want to see it. So pick up your camera and make a YouTube video. Yeah, walk through fear. Take the risk. Because I want to see it. And that's all I got for today. I'm not a Sherrington parent, but I care for everyone in the whole wide world. World peace. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Love you guys. Be kind to each other now. And smile. I'll see you guys in the next video. Toodaloo. Before Granny, Miss Lori, Gen X, YouTuber.